Now this was all trouble. Look at that, first hatched little chicken by mama on my farm. I'm not sure if this thing is focusing on, no, it's focusing on net. Okay, let me get really close. You see that little chickie? Oh my goodness. It's a good beginnings. All right. Take care, little kiddo. All right, let's see if goose egg gonna hatch. There is just one left out of 3. I'm not sure if she ate other 2 or broke or whatever happened. There's just one egg left, so let's see what's gonna happen. Bye.